The NASA rover Curiosity survived its daredevil landing on Mars 1 year ago and has already yielded new scientific insights into the red planet. The 1-ton rover touched down at 1:31 AM on August 6, 2012 on the Gale crater. Curiosity was designed to assess whether Mars ever had an environment capable of supporting single-cell microbial life, and in its first residence on Mars, the probe has already shown that the planet likely harboured such life. But astronauts aboard the International Space Station say sending a manned mission to Mars is still a distant dream.
We have to remember that when we start a trip to Mars, we're not going to have those cargo vehicles to come and resupply us. We're not going to have the cargo vehicles to send up at the last moment a spare part that we didn't realize we were going to need. And so, you know, the work we're doing here on the space station, just running the space station on a day-to-day basis, I think, is a good test bed for what we're going to need to go to Mars. But I think there's still some work to be done. I am confident we'll get there, but I think there's just a lot of things to think about, knowing that it's a trip that can't be resupplied, can't be, you know, once you're going. And, you know, I think we'll get there eventually, but I think right now there's still a lot of work to do.
Recently, NASA released a series of images taken from a camera mounted aboard Curiosity that show the first year of its exploration in a time-lapse video. The images all come from Curiosity's front hazard avoidance camera's fisheye lens, capturing every dig and drill carried out by the rover's robotic arm since landing on August 6 last year until last month. Now scientists hope to learn whether life-friendly niches on Mars are common and whether any organic carbon has been preserved in the planet's ancient rocks. To answer those questions, Curiosity is heading to Mount Sharp, a 3-mile-high mound of layered sediment rising from the floor of the Gale crater. Curiosity is expected to be joined next year by another NASA robotic probe called MAVEN, which will remain in orbit to assess how and why the planet is losing its atmosphere.